Hi, Tom.
Hi, Dad.
What are you doing?
Just sitting. I need to study, but I don't want to.
What subject do you need to study today?
Math and a little science.
I see. Do you like math?
Not really. It's boring and hard.
I understand. Sometimes learning is not fun, but it is important.
Why is it important? I don't like it.
Because learning helps you grow. If you know more, you can do more in the future.
I want to play games now.
Playing is okay, but first, how about we study together for a little bit?
With you?
Yes, we can make it easy and fun. Let's start with math. What do you need to learn?
I need to do 10 problems.
Okay, let's do the first one together.
All right.
Good reading. Now think, what do you need to do first?
I think I need to add these two numbers.
That's right. Try it.
Is it 14?
Yes, great job.
I did 5 problems now.
You're doing amazing. How do you feel?
A little better. Not tired now.
See, when you start, it gets easier.
Maybe. But sometimes I feel sleepy when I study.
That's normal. Do you want to stand up and stretch a little?
Okay.
Let's take a short break, 5 minutes. Then we finish the other 5 problems.
Sounds good.
Ready?
Ready. Let's finish this.
That's the spirit. You are stronger than you think.
Thank you, Dad. That helps me.
I know sometimes it's hard to concentrate, but small steps work.
Yeah. I feel proud now.
I'm proud too. One more question. What do you want to be in the future?
I don't know yet. Maybe a doctor or a pilot.
Those are great dreams. And dreams start with learning today.
You're right.
Now let's look at science. What's today's topic?
The solar system.
That sounds fun. Do you know how many planets we have?
8.
Very good. Can you name them?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Excellent memory.
I finished reading all the pages.
Great job. How do you feel now?
Tired, but happy.
That's the best feeling. You worked hard. Now you can relax.
Can I play my game now?
Yes, you earned it. But remember, a little learning each day helps your brain grow strong.
I will try again tomorrow too.
That's my boy. I believe in you. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Dad.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I went to bed early.
I'm proud of you. You said you will try again today.
Yes, I remember my promise.
That's great. Keeping promises is important.
I want to be better every day.
What will you study today?
I will do some reading and math.
Good plan. After breakfast, we can begin.
Okay, I feel ready.
Let's start with reading. Just 10 minutes.
All right, I'll read this short story.
Try reading aloud. It helps you focus.
The sun is big. It gives light to the earth.
Very good, Tom.
Thank you.
Do you understand the story?
Yes, it's about the sun and the planets.
Excellent. Now let's move to math. How many math problems today?
I will do 10 problems.
That's a good number. Let's do the first one together.
Okay, 8 plus 5 equals 13.
Correct. Now try the next one on your own.
12 minus 4 equals 8.
Well done. You're really trying.
I said I would, Dad. A promise is a promise.
That's true. And you're showing real effort.
I've done 6 questions now.
Great. Let's take a short break.
Can we go outside for 5 minutes?
Of course. Let's walk in the garden.
Studying is still hard, but I feel good today.
That's because you started. Beginning is the hardest part.
I want to keep going. I made a promise, and I will keep it.
That's very strong of you, Tom. How about some writing now?
What should I write?
Write about your morning and your promise.
Okay. I'll write 5 sentences. Done. Can I read it to you?
Please do.
Today I woke up early. I ate eggs and rice. I studied reading and math. I made a promise to try. I want to learn every day.
That is perfect. You used your own words.
Thanks. I like writing now.
Do you know what happens when you keep a promise for many days?
What?
It becomes a habit. Good habits make a strong person.
So every day I try, I become better?
Yes, every try is a step forward. So how do you feel after today's learning?
I feel proud. I worked hard.
You kept your promise.
Yes. It was not easy, but I did it.
And tomorrow?
I will try again tomorrow too.
What's your plan?
Reading, math, and a drawing about science.
Excellent. I love your plan.
You help me a lot, Dad.
I am happy to help. I believe in you.
I believe in me too.
That is the most important thing.
Can we study together again tomorrow?
Always, Tom. We are a team.
I will keep my promise every single day.
And I will be here every single step.
Good night, Dad.
Good night, son. Sweet dreams and strong focus.